This is the first time I have opened the box. I haven't even seen inside yet. The first pair of Red Wings that I ordered had two different colored shoes. They were both Briar Oil Slick leather, but one of them was like a brownish, but the other was a reddish color. It didn't match. So what I did is I emailed customer service and they sent out a replacement pair immediately. I had a really good customer service experience. So here we go. Wow. What a nice pair of boots. It is a heavier boot than you would have imagined. The sole is a Vibram. Wow, let's look at the other pair. Wow. See, now that's a matching set of shoes. Now they look, that leather, I mean, look at the grain on that. Well, this is going to age really well. Got the half lugs. And I've tried on a lot of pair of boots, but I tend to have a wide toe box. The toe box doesn't feel like it's squishing my toes. And I think it has to do with this bump. A lot of boots, it just goes straight down. And I have a high arch. And so this helps a lot. You can feel it right away that this boot is good for people with wide toe boxes. And the eyelets, you know, they have brass eyelets. So overall, I'm going to keep these. They look good. The stitching is good. Yeah, overall it's a good pair of boots.